Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Select the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. If you want the same drop-down in multiple cells, select all of those cells before moving on. Next, right-click on the selected cell, then click Drop-down. You can also create a drop-down by clicking Insert, then selecting Drop-down from the menu. A sidebar will now appear on the right. This is where you'll create your drop-down list. By default, Google Sheets adds a few sample options. You can rename them or remove them by clicking the X next to each option. To add another choice, click Add another item. Then type your new option. You can also change the color of each option by clicking the colored circle beside it. Once you've added all your options, click Done. Now click on the cell. You'll see a drop-down arrow. Click the arrow and choose any of the options you just created if you ever want to edit the drop-down later. Click on the cell, open the drop-down menu, and select Edit Drop-down. The sidebar will open again, allowing you to add, remove, or rename your options whenever you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.